Hi guys, this is Larissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. I'm excited to set up my weekly scripture writing planner in my dashboard layout planner. And I'm going to be using this beautiful kit called Empower from Print Pray Slay. It is a digital kit that features our first ladies as well as our first madam vice president. And so I'm so excited to share this spread with you. Again, these are digital kits. It is a 10-page kit called Empower. And I do have a link down below where if you're interested in purchasing this kit or any other digital kits, you will have a discount code that will also save you on your purchases as well. In addition to the sticker kit from Print Pray Slay, I'll be using this Year to Shine sticker book from Happy Planner. It's a beautiful book and I'm excited to finally pull it out and use it. I bought it like a couple of months ago and I haven't used it yet, so yay me. But basically I'm going to use this as a backdrop to the doll stickers that I cut out. Now, I had originally tended to use these doll stickers for a different purpose. That's why I didn't have the decorative portion from the digital kit already cut out, or else I would have used that. But I wanted to go ahead and get this particular project completed. So yeah, but the decorative elements in the digital kit are beautiful and there's so many choices to have. So I really like that as well. What I wanted to do is use the splashes that are in this Year to Shine sticker book as a means to just give it a backdrop. And I'm going to focus the dolls primarily in the center portion of the page. And my idea of this is to write scriptures above and below the dolls. So that's what I'm going to do. And one of the reasons why I wanted to use this kit, it was introduced or released a couple of weeks ago. And I thought it was perfect for Women's History Month, which is what March is all about, Women's History Month. And the fact that we have 3 women who are historical in their own way is just, to me, an example of what you can do if you persevere through hardships, sacrifices, through obstacles or whatever. And also when I think of these particular 3 ladies, Michelle Obama, Dr. Biden, and Kamala Harris, I also think of women who are an example of Proverbs 31 women. And so I just thought it was so appropriate to use them in my scripture writing kit in order to honor women who are very influential and have made a great impact for Women's History Month. And so I put the splashes down behind them. And then I put a couple of the florals as well in between the doll stickers. And I love the florals because they're basically rose gold foil florals. And I thought that was pretty. And then going to the second page, there's a smaller size doll set of all 3 of them together. And I really like that. And so I decided to put that down at the bottom because I felt like that's where it would fit. And again, with my scripture writing plans, it's only 5 days a week. And you use the other 2 days as a point of reflection or to catch up on your scripture writing. And so I usually like to use Saturday and Sunday as a decorative area as well. And so again, I'm just going to put down some splashes, and I'm using my white gel pen to sort of white out some of the lines for when I put this doll sticker down. The lines are not so poignant or aggressive in popping through the sticker, especially by them being a smaller doll. It stood out to me. It may not come across on the video, but for me it was just like I didn't like that, so I used my white pen to diffuse the black line a little bit more. And then I also put down some splatters, some dot splatter stickers that were in here, as well as some more of the floral stickers. And then at the top where it says this week, I like to just go ahead and cover that with decor too. Another thing that you could do is go ahead and write out the scriptures that you're going to be writing out by hand. That way you don't have to have like your plan, like your writing plan printed out or on a separate piece of paper. It could just be right there in the this week's area. Or maybe I could have put it on the other page too, but I just like to cover up that with deco. So I like how that turned out. And then I'm now just going to add, I wanted to add a little bit more deco for each of the days. So what you're seeing me do right now is sort of flip through the pages to see if there's some dots or some flags or some elements that I could use to just highlight each day. And I decided to use these flat stickers, and I actually like that because it's part of the book, and so with the splashes. It's that soft pastels kind of color, but yet it to me is still very colorful, so I really like that. And so as I finish that up, I wanted to share with you the 3 scriptures that I'm gonna write on the opposite side of the page. And the first one is Psalm 46, verse 5. It says, God is within her. She will not fail. God will help her at break of day. Oh, that is such a powerful scripture, because I can only imagine, I have my day-to-day life. Most of us have our day-to-day lives. We're dealing with our most immediate group of friends and families and loved ones and work and so forth. But I think of the example that these three women had to deal with. They deal with a global level, a worldwide level of influence and impact. And so to know that God is within me, I cannot fail because He is within me. He is of me and I'm in Him. He is in me and I am His child. So God will help me at the time of my need. So I love that. And then Proverbs 31:26, she speaks with wisdom and faithful instructions. And faithful instructions is on her tongue. I mean, again, these three women are great example of women who have not just gained like book knowledge, but they also have practical experiences that gave them the knowledge and wisdom and wherewithal to be able to navigate certain situations and circumstances, and to have empathy for others, to help others, to use their influence and their power that has been given to them to make this world a better place. Not saying that they're perfect, who is, but I think these three are really good examples. So yes, I'm proud to celebrate them this month. And then the last scripture is Luke chapter 1 verse 45. Blessed is she who has believed that the Lord would fulfill His promise to her. Oh, that is powerful, because if you fully believe that the things that God said about you and the things that God has said He is going to fulfill in your life, that's powerful, because that means that you're unmovable, unshakable, because you truly believe in who God says He is concerning you. So I love those scriptures. Those are powerful, and they are scriptures that you can use to affirm yourself in the Lord and speak highly of yourself in the Lord, to encourage yourself always. So thank you so much for joining me for this process video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and that something was said that will encourage you, as well as encourage you to lift up others who are on the battlefield fighting day by day for us, whether it's on a global national level or whether it's right in your community or in your home, because a lot of us are fighting battles every day. And I know I have many, many heroes in my life. So this is a perfect time to think of them, to lift them up, and to pray for them. So don't forget to use my link down below to save all your purchases. And thank you so much for joining me. May God bless you. May God keep you. May He continue to smile upon you. Bye-bye.